Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you play with yourself on chess.com. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up chess.com. So once you've already opened up chess.com, log into your account. So once you're already logged in and you're on your home page here, so what you're going to do here now is click on the play option here. Oh, sorry, not play option. Click on the learn option. So under play, you'll see there's a learn option here. So click on learn. So from learn, you'll see there's a classroom option there. So click on classroom option. So once you get to classroom here, just click on new room. So you're just creating a new room. All right. And then now what happens is that here, this is it's now all free for you to play. So you can now actually make a move, or you can just play around with yourself. So here and everything, so it's all you're just playing by yourself here. So you can also like record your audio and video. You have the option to record your audio and video as well, so if you want this to be recorded, so in that way, so you're now actually you can now like play with yourself, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys with another video. Thank you.